Maintenance strategies in asset management. Maintenance is a vital pillar of asset management. Its main goals are to preserve service levels, reduce failure risk, and optimize costs. Maintenance strategies define what work is done, when, and how to ensure assets perform optimally. Types of maintenance strategies. Reactive or run to failure. For its definition, we can say repair or replace only after failure occurs. For example, fixing a pump only after it breaks down. Preventive or scheduled. For its definition, we can say planning maintenance based on time or usage intervals. For example, replacing filters or weekly valve inspections. And for predictive or condition-based, we can say maintenance based on real-time condition monitorings. And for its example, we can say using a pressure and flow sensor to predict pipe burst. Finally, proactive or reliability-centered maintenance or RCM, combining data, risk analysis, and experience. For example, identifying highest failure risk points and prioritizing repairs or replacements. Choosing the right strategy. Factors to consider include failure risk and its impact on customers, environment, and costs, available financial and human resources, asset criticality. Some assets are most sensitive or vital, quality and availability of condition monitoring data. Practical example for a water network. Consider three types of assets. Main pump station, for this one, critical and costly to repair, and we can use predictive and preventive maintenance. For old secondary pipe, a medium failure risk, limited leakage impact, we can choose scheduled preventive inspections. And for control valves alongside the network, we can use reactive maintenance only because it is low cost and low impact. This approach concentrates resources on high risk and vital assets, optimizing cost effectiveness. Maintenance performance indicators. Key metrics include MTBF or mean time between failures. It means average uptime before failure. MTTR, mean time to repair. It means average duration of repairs. Preventive maintenance compliance, percentage of scheduled jobs completed on time. And for service impact, we can have reduction in water outages or leakages. Challenges and solutions for maintenance. Challenges could be limited budgets and workforce, poor data quality affecting predictive maintenance, and employee resistance transitioning from reactive to preventive strategies. And for solution, we can have staff training and defined standards, improve data collection integrating GIS, SCADA, and CMMS, and finally, pilot programs to demonstrate predictive methods before full rollout. In summary, maintenance strategies are the foundation for executing asset management. Choosing the right strategies depends on risk, cost, and data. Blending preventive, predictive, and reactive approaches yields the best balance of risk reduction and cost optimization. Performance matrices enable monitoring and continuous improvement. As usual, a question for you. Imagine a limited maintenance budget. Which combination of assets and strategies would you prioritize to reduce critical failure risk, optimize cost, and maintenance service level? Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next session.